All right, we're in this beautiful 56 Thunderbird. We're gonna get it running. We're gonna take it down for a ride down the street. We got a little bumpy road to take it on and test the suspension as well. But yeah, this should be a fun one. I love these cars.
Oh yeah.
We did leave the hard top on. We have some spotty weather, and we don't quite know what's gonna go on yet. So better the safe than sorry. Right off the bat, it's just such a smooth driving car.
Oh, yeah. It's got a nice little rumble to it, but it's not overbearing.
No, it's not a big car. It doesn't take much to get up and going, you know? Steering's nice and tight, doesn't wander on me at all. We'll see how she does over these bumps on this road we're turning on right now. Yeah, it's taking them beautifully. Yeah, and no hands on the wheel. The bumps aren't pulling the wheel at all. Super nice.
Okay.
It's a cruiser.
These early T-Birds are really great. Just fun little sports cars that are easy to cruise around in.
And these had the build quality, let's be real. They felt so solid. Oh yeah, she's running like a top, happy as can be. Alright, we'll try the brakes out here. Oh yeah, they're all there. Very nice. Handles really great too.
Oh yeah.
I mean, here we are. We're in stop and go traffic. It's doing fine on our temperature. So one of the nice things we get to show here in Venice, Florida is, you know, with this 96-degree temperature and stop and go, you know, no worries whatsoever.
Yeah.
Just like that, we're up to speed. I mean, smooth as can be.
Yeah, it's just a great little cruiser.
Look how straight it tracks. I mean, it's not biting on anything. All right, we are back at our lot now. We're gonna go get this up on a lift and show you the bottom of it, and then we're gonna do a nice little walk around, show all the nooks and crannies. All right, we got the 56 Thunderbird up on a lift. We're gonna take a look at this bottom. And as you can see, it's an extremely honest bottom. Starting off with our fuel tank, everything looks great, even the leafs. Good look at the frame all the way through, super straight frame. Even the pinch welds are all nice and straight. Looks like we have a brand new radiator in it as well. Let's do another pass down the center here. Very nice. All right, we got this T-Bird out in the sunlight. You can really see how well that white paint pops. Such an elegant looking car. Especially with those wire spoke wheels. Looks really sharp. Keep making our way around here. You can see the chrome work up front is amazing. All the way around the grille, around your blinker signals, all the chrome accents are really nice. Even up on your hood here. Making our way around, you can see how well the doors line up and all the panels. Do a rear quarter shot here. You can see super straight car, no dents or ripples in the bodywork. Back chrome is the same story. That beautiful spare staring you in the face. Even your trunk gaps, really nice. It's truly an elegant car. All right, first thing off the bat, you can notice how easy that car door shuts and opens. It's very well aligned, no effort whatsoever. Starting off with our door panel. Onto our dash. Dash is in an excellent shape as well. Absolutely love this color scheme with the white exterior. Really pops. Seats are in immaculate condition as well. Let's show off the door jambs. Very nice. And as you can see, all the seals around the window and door is all really nice shape as well. Let's go take our look at the other side as well. And again, same story. Nice and easy. All right, we'll show this door jamb as well. Very nice. Making our way into the trunk as well. You can see, nice new seal all the way around the trunk as well. Get that beautiful liner down there. Do have our jack is here as well. Gorgeous. Functional blower. Clock's working. Temp gauge, fuel, even RPMs, and the speedo comes up as well. And wipers.